guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. This is my life as a fashion influencer. So I'm going to show you something cool I really did with the designers Bruce Glenn. I'm doing a special project with them, and then also my shoe campaign with Naturalizer that debuted. So if you didn't see it, I'm going to show you what that looked like. And then also I did a little brunch with one of my fave blogger boos, and then also I'm going to share with you guys a little family mommy time. You know, I don't do that often, but me and Love, we've been hanging out a lot, so I'm going to show you that. And then also today we got some new PR in from the Nina Parker collection at Macy, so we got a little try on for you. And then also Naturalizer did send me some PR. They sent me some new shoes, and they are wide width, so we're going to try those on today as well. So it's going to be a really nice fun vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And you know what, let's get into this try on haul first. All right guys, so we have our Nina Parker pieces here. They always give me stuff whenever a new collection drops, so I'm always appreciative. So we're going to get into that. Right now, I'm waiting for my Starbucks order because, you know, we got to get juiced up for the day. So this is the outfit of the day. I got on my little Yitty gear. So I actually have a Yitty review if you guys ever want to check that out. I just have on the leggings, and this hoodie is super cute. I love this thing. And then my scarf, this is from Amazon. I love these satin scarves. They're definitely super cute to tie your head up at night, but also I use them part of outfits sometimes. So I'll link all of this down below for you guys. This Starbucks needs to hurry up. But anyway, let's get into what I got from the Nina Parker collection. So, oh, thank you. We've secured the Starbucks. All right, so they sent me this tie-dye mesh top. I thought it was super cute. It's nice and stretchy. Sometimes they send me like a 2X or 3X, but today they sent me a 3X in this top. I think it's really cute. It's definitely a nice little fun print. The colors definitely give more fall vibes, but this, you know, you could throw this on with jeans. I think this will look good with some faux leather pants. Obviously, you can layer with this, throw on a little blazer or denim jacket. This is really cute. Then the next thing she sent was this dress. So it's a stretchy shirt dress. It has some ruche detailing in the front. All of the buttons are functional, so you can open up a little more buttons if you want. And I love that you get this kind of sash style belt around the waist. Very stretchy. This is also in a 3X. This hits like my calf length, so it's more like a midi length dress. I love this color because this is something you could color block with. Like, I totally would do yellow sandals with this. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. And it's also perfect for work. Listen, you can definitely throw this on for work for the springtime. So I think it's really cute. I didn't see any other colors online that it came in, but I'm definitely here for this green. That's everything I got from Nina Parker. Now let's get into the shoes I got from Naturalizer. But first, let me show you my Naturalizer campaign. Back in November of 2022. I actually shot it on my actual birthday, which is 11/11. You know, I'm special. I have special numbers, heavenly numbers. No. But yeah, so back in November, so it came out in March, and the campaign was for Women's Day in March. I shot the campaign with so many other amazing women. There were models, other influencers. They even had some of the Naturalizer executives part of the campaign. And I'm always so thankful when brands even think about me to do things like this. I'm an OG blogger. Like, this is before the word influencer even came about. We were just called bloggers or YouTubers. So I'm always just excited because I've been doing this since, child, 2008, 2009, and to still have impact and influence, you know, over 10 years later, I do not take that lightly, and I'm always just appreciative. And so again, I was super thankful. So if anybody from Naturalizer is watching, thank you for including me. And I just, you know, I get excited too because it is also allowing other women to see someone that kind of resembles them, or, you know, seeing a real plus size woman, a dark skinned woman. So I'm always willing to rep for us. So yeah, it was a good campaign. I'm glad it turned out well, and I'm just looking forward to do even more, even bigger campaigns. Like the plans and ideas and things I want to do in life are just beyond. So anyway, now let's get into the shoes that Naturalizer gifted me. Now these weren't in the campaign, but after the campaign they gifted us some shoes that we were allowed to pick our own. So let me show you. Okay, so they gifted me 3 pairs of shoes. I got them all in wide width in a size 11. And so let me show you my favorite pair first. So wait, let me put this down. Here's my favorite pair. All right, so here's my favorite pair. And Naturalizer has really good quality shoes. I'm telling you, like I said, I've been shopping them, so I don't want nobody saying like, oh, you only did it because they got a campaign. Wait till you see these. I bet you I thought Naturalizer would do something like this. These are super cute. So these are a purple metallic platform, baby. I love these, and these are comfortable. 11W, so they're definitely gonna fit a wider foot, especially in the front. That heel is a stacked heel and it's not too high. Like, oh my gosh, do you see that purple metallic? You don't see this color often. So I cannot wait to wear these. Okay. So the next shoe are these green patent sandals. So they have the crisscross strap in the front. And look at that heel. I actually like that the heel is kind of like a thicker triangle, a long triangle. I don't know what shape you call that, but it's super cute, nice and comfy. There's a cushion on the inside. These do come in other colors, but I just chose the green because I always like a good colored sandal. Very comfy, and look at the heel, because the heel definitely is sturdy. It's not too high. Well, at least for me, it's like maybe 3.5, 3.8 inches or something like that. But these are really cute. So I cannot wait to break these out. So now let's get into the rest of the vlog, and we'll meet back here. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog.
What's up, guys? So I am headed to the city. I have an event tonight, and it is for Got2B Hair. I'm going to see Tokyo Styles. They're going to be styling some wigs, so I'm super excited. It's been a fun.
Being myself. Like, I just never cared what anybody thought or what people said about me. I lived my truth. I did what I wanted to do, and it's gotten me this far, and I feel
Guys, so the event is over, and since I saw that we were near Dos Caminos, you know your girl has to go get some Dos Caminos. Let me tell you something. Next to soul food and Italian food,
I love Mexican food. Dos Caminos is always so good. So I'm gonna go in there and pick up my order because I ordered it in the event. I was like, oh, I could just pick it up. It's right downstairs. So anyway, that's we about to head, and then we're gonna catch our Uber and head back home. Hey guys, so today I'm headed out to brunch with one of my blogger boos, and that is Makita from Glamazon Diaries. We both live in Brooklyn. We live about maybe 15-20 minutes away from each other, so we've been hanging out for the past couple months. So I'm gonna meet her for a little Sunday brunch at Naturalizer in Brooklyn. So I'm on my way there. We made reservations and I'm excited because I've never been to Naturalizer in Brooklyn. I've only been to the one in Manhattan. So let's see if there's a difference in taste.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
What's up, guys? So your girl is up, we're dressed, makeup done, we are ready to get our work on today. So today is a work day. We are filming. I'm doing 2 videos today. One of them is going to be a styling video. I'm going to be styling some cargo pants for you guys, giving you multiple looks. And then I'm also going to be going through the denim trends for spring summer 2023. That's what we're doing. So I got my Starbucks because I need all of the energy so I can get through these videos. This is what I'm wearing for the video. And I'll already be done up in case somebody hits me up and it's like, hey, you want to go grab some dinner, grab some drinks after? Love is hanging out with his friends today at the park. You know, it still amazes me that I really do have a teenage son who can go outside by himself now. He's excited that he gets to do that, but we still keep a really tight leash on him because we grew up in New York City. So I'm always just like, you got to be on ready, boo boo, all the time. So we always, you know, monitor where he is. But he's out, and then dad is at work, so he's on a little overtime today, so I'll be able to film all day and basically mess up the house with all the clothes. I got them all like laid out on the couch. So yeah, so that's pretty much the plan today. I just wanted to hop in and say hey, and just to give you a little insight of, you know, what I do during the week when I don't have an event or anything to go to. So makeup is looking pretty fire today. I'm getting ready to turn on the camera so we can get started, and I will see you guys later. What's up, guys? It's me, your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today your girl is back with a new video, and I am super duper excited for today's video because we have a styling video for you.
Hey guys, so today I am doing something pretty special. So today I'm going to meet the designers Bruce and Glenn. If you watch my New York Fashion Week vlog, then you've seen the Bruce and Glenn show. I show clips of it. So they invited me to come down to their studio so I could be fitted for some pieces they're going to design in plus size. So they're doing this whole like made to order thing, so plus size people can, you know, be able to shop. So I've come down to get measured, and they're also going to be here, so we're going to go say hi and everything, and I get to pick out some clothes, get measured for them, and they're supposed to create like my own avatar, so it should be cool, and I'm taking you guys with me. So we're about to head in. Let's see how this goes.
garments that you like.
Okay.
Not all the things are things we've made, like
Right.
just puffer jacket and stuff, but we'll just go through and if you pick something that is not one of those things, we can flag that to you.
All right, good stop. The happy silk slip dress
Okay. Awesome.
and the plaid tank dress.
Amazing. Okay, so those 4 things so far, right? Okay. And do you want to look at these dresses again?
Scroll up one. The plaid one, the colorful plaid one. Hey guys, so I just finished my fitting with Bruce and Glenn. I'm so excited. It was a very thorough fitting. They measured literally every nook and cranny. And so I'm super excited to see how everything turns out. I'm gonna have my own avatar and clothes that are customized to my body. So I'm gonna head home now to get love and to get some lunch. So I'll see you guys later.
All right, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this month's vlog. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you watched any of my other videos and you enjoyed those, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you ever want to keep up with me, you want to see what I'm wearing throughout the week, what I'm doing, make sure you're following Stylish Curves on Instagram. For more plus size style, fashion, and beauty, check out the blog stylishcurves.com. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.